The price of Ethereum is sitting around $3,700 per coin right now, and every single day I'm making money mining Ethereum and then selling it for a profit. And in this video I want to show you exactly how you can actually go and set up to mine Ethereum by doing this strategy step by step. It is possible to mine Ethereum with your graphic cards and advanced mining rigs, of course, but also it is possible to do it as a complete beginner with neither of them and just by having an internet connection. And I'm gonna show you how you will be able to do this too. So let me take you back to the computer and get started with today's strategy. So in today's strategy I will be showing you different ways that you can mine Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies, and you can do this having your own GPU, your own computer, and even obviously having your own mining rigs and your graphic card. So I'm gonna show you how you can get the most out of it. But first of all, I want to show you as well what's going on in the market. As you can see, Bitcoin has got a massive drop and Ethereum as well. So it's actually, hitting resistance if you're looking on the long-term view, the long-term view perspective of what has been going recently. So as you know, cryptocurrency is gonna stay here to stay. So as the prices are low, I will highly recommend you to go and buy, because it will be a good way for you to store value for the future. This is not financial advice, but by no means I'm just telling you what I'm doing, because I know that this is very cheap and the price of Bitcoin is gonna go much higher. But with that said, let's go and continue, and let me show you all the different ways that you can go. And first of all, you're gonna need to secure your cryptocurrency. So for that, you're gonna need somewhere to store it. So it's called a hardware wallet. This is what I have, and this is what I recommend. There are different versions of it. You can go to the Ledger Nano website over here, and then you can see, but the one I've got is the Nano X, which is the most powerful at the moment. But you can go and check it out and see which one is best for you. But it's very important that you have to that you keep very safe the cryptocurrency that you're going to mine. Okay, so another one that I want to show you that you will be able to save your coins in a safety way is this one. It's called Treasure.io. So it will allow you to store online information, and you will be able to have all the cryptocurrency information on this device, and it will be completely secure. I rather prefer more Ledger Nano, but this one is good as well. So you can come here and you can check and see if it's something that might interest you, and you can go ahead and get it if you like. But it's very important that you keep all your cryptocurrency safe, and away from possible intruders, and have always your keys very safe as well, kept somewhere where nobody can have access to it apart from you. So another website I want to show you is called atomicwallet.io. So it's another wallet that you can use to manage your bitcoins. You can as well store Ethereum, and then as well it will allow you to do some staking, which is actually be able to deposit certain amount of certain coins for it to grow. So with that said, I want you to go to a website which is called MinerStat, and you will go into this website and you will register, because here is going to allow you to be able to easily manage your crypto mining rigs for anywhere in the world. So as I said, I will be sharing with you ways that you can mine Ethereum in the cloud and as well on your mining rigs. Okay, so you can come here, you can check it out. You can see that if there is any troubleshooting, they will have 24-hour support. And then as well, depending on the computer that you have, you could just go download it. You can go into Windows mining and then download it to your computer, and then the only thing you will need to do is you will need to connect you need to connect all your mining rigs that you actually have. Okay, so another website that you can go and check out is called Cloud Mining. So Cloud Mining as well is going to allow you to cloud different cryptocurrencies. You know, it will just depend on the power. You know, when you mine in cryptocurrency, you want to make sure that your CPU, using your CPU, is below 70%. You know, so to make sure it doesn't burn. So you can come here. You can as well check out this website, and you will see that you get access to real mining power without any extra effort. You know, so another website is called Easy Mining Faucet Cloud Mining. So it will allow you to mine Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic. It's called easymining.club. And then once that you come here, you will be able to mine different cryptocurrencies. This is how your dashboard will appear, and then you will need you have access to so many different coins that you can start leveraging. You know, you will all depend on the computer that you have available, of course. You know, so another website which I wanted to show you is called Genesis Mining. So Genesis Mining is a website that, you know, as well, so it will allow you to mine different cryptocurrencies, and obviously it will all depend on the power that you have. So the good thing is, like, when you go to this website to mine a stuff that I showed you previously, where you can actually register your mining rigs, you will see here the potential amount that you could be earning. So obviously, depending on the earnings and the ones that you have, for example, if you have a 6000, this one, you know, it will be 5.12 USD that you will be able to mine, but depending on the amount of rigs. So if you have 8 rigs, that'll be, you have to multiply this price for 8, you know, and the same for the other one. So it's good, you know, for estimate, for you to check if you're gonna be mining with your mining rig. So, you know, you can come to this website, check it out, and see, depending on the one that you have, you're gonna see how much each of them are earning. You know, the one that earns more is this one, but you will need to see if you are able to, you know, or you have it, or you can make you can have use of it. Okay, so another website which I wanted to show you is called Also Miner. Also Miner as well, it will allow you to be able to connect all your computers and be able to monitor everything, and you will be able to do many different things, like you will be able to access to the power of this mining, and then they will be able to do some profit switching that will optimize the mining for maximum profitability based on statistics. You know, so they do everything for you. You just need to come here and download it as well. If you have any questions, you can come here and then check out the questions, and then he might be able to help you if you need any further assistance. You know, so another website which I want to show you, but this one is cloud on the cloud, is called Trust Mining. Okay, so Trust Mining, you can come here and it will allow you to, you know, register. You just need to register, then choose a contract, and then done. You can start doing some crypto mining and then get your profits. You know, it will actually calculate your earnings, and then, you know, it will tell you how much you will be able to get your income per day, income per month, and income per year. And then obviously you will need to calculate the amount of electricity that's gonna cost, and that will as well depend on the country and the prices of electricity in your country. Okay, so then they will be available all the time, and then they will you know, tell you how they will give you different options of how you can mine the Ethereum. You know, so another website which I want to show you is called Cryptoorg, and Cryptoorg allows you to mine cryptocurrency and pay you bitcoins on real world money. You know, it could be in dollars or any other cryptocurrency. So, you know, it's very simple. You just need to connect it to your Windows PC or your Mac if you have one, and then, you know, you just connect it, and then it will tell you how much you're gonna be earning, you know, depending if you have your PC or you have your mining rig. You know, so you will be able to withdraw different cryptocurrencies, and then if you got further questions, you can come to the support section and then ask them. But it will be as simple as downloading the app, then have it running on the background, and then get paid. Just make sure that the usage is below 70% so it doesn't collapse your systems. Okay, and another website that I wanted to show you is called CCG Mining.com, and this one, it will allow you to start mining and get the highest hash rate to increase your capital. So you can see all the different products that they're offering and see if it's something that it might be interested to you. They do like cloud mining contracts as well as mining rigs, you know. So they've got like a video intro here that you can actually watch. You can even follow them in YouTube to find more information about what they do. So I recommend you to check it out. It's called ccgmining.com, you know. So with that said, what I wanted to share with you is all the different options that you could do some cloud mining and as well mining Bitcoin with your rigs. And obviously, if you know any other strategy that or another place that I haven't mentioned, you know, leave it on the comments below and I'll be happy to see it as well, you know. So if you like this type of videos, I would really appreciate that you could give me a massive like, because that will really help me to keep investing on the channel, to keep growing the channel and be able to bring you the latest news on cryptocurrency so you can benefit from it and you can get some value. So if you like this type of videos, I would really appreciate that you could give me a like, you know. So with that said, I hope that you have a great day and a great week, and I will come very soon with more content for you in the cryptocurrency world. So take care.